Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with y'all something super duper fun. I actually did this video once before on my channel. It is an unboxing video for 123 Baby Box. I believe this to be one of the best boxes that you can get if you have a baby anywhere from the age of a newborn to 3 years old. There are two subscription boxes that I like, and this is one of them. I will link the other video that I have of theirs down below in the description box if you want to see what was in that box. But every box is different what you're gonna get. They even throw in some things for mama too, so that's really nice. This is a monthly subscription. You can even pay annually instead of every month if you want to. That way you get a discount. I will have a discount code for you guys also, which will be linked down below, and I will put it up here on the screen for you guys. But the reason that this one is so great today for this video is for their spring launch. They are doing the first 100 customers to order a 6-month or annual subscription is gonna get their first box for free. Their first box for free, y'all. Each box is about $75 to $100 worth of items in there, and everything is curated to your baby's age and developmental stage, so it's really, really good. I've gotten some awesome things in my boxes that I loved and that I still use to this day. So this promotion, this spring launch, starts today. So like I said, I will have it linked down below in the description box. Click on that link, order your 6-month or 1-year subscription, and get that first box for free. Again, y'all, only the first 100 customers are getting this box for free. You better run if you want one. And another reason I love this box is that this is a small business. With COVID and everything, the small businesses seem to be the ones that are struggling the most, and I hate that because I love small businesses. The way that they present their products to you, so special. It feels like you're getting something from a friend as a gift. I just think small businesses are so important, and if we can help in any way by buying from small businesses or supporting small businesses and sharing about them, that is the best thing that you can do. So if you're not in the market for a box like this, but you know somebody that's maybe pregnant or has kids, this would be a great gift for them, or even just pass it along to let them know about it. It just would be really nice to support women supporting women and also supporting small businesses. With all that being said, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, because I would love to have you, of course. And let's go ahead and jump right into unboxing this 123 Baby Box. Okay, when you get your box in the mail, this is what it looks like. It is a big bright yellow box that says Baby Box on the front. It's got their little saying right here. It says a box of joy for your bundle of joy. And then of course it's going to share their social media on the back. If you do share a picture of your baby box on social media, definitely remember to tag them and hashtag 123 Baby Box so that they can see it and even repost your picture. Okay, let's open this guy up. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. It's got their saying again on the front right here, which I just think this is so cute. I love packaging, especially when you can tell that the company really put in effort in their packaging. It's not just in a plastic bag and thrown to you that way. It's really nicely done. So I appreciate this so much. I'm sorry y'all if I sound nasally. I am getting over a cold, so I still have some crap that's going down my throat. That's why I might sound a little weird today. Okay, I'm gonna open this guy up. By the way, if you have kids and you're into sensory play, keep these little tissue papers out of your packages, because these are great for sensory play. Obviously the sound, the texture, doing this with your baby or letting your baby do this or putting it under their feet is a great idea. I wanted to throw that in there. All right, so the first thing I see right off the bat is this little case, which obviously this is for mama. So they do give you a little cute canvas makeup case. It says better late than bad eyeliner, which is really cute. I love the canvas ones, especially something small like this. If you need to throw this in your diaper bag because you're out and about and you want to take your lipstick, or you need a little touch up, keeping this in this little zipper and putting this in your diaper bag would be great, especially because it's not very big, so it's not going to take up a whole lot of space. Okay, next thing I see in here is, this is going to be, we've got a big bottle of Johnson's baby lotion. Y'all, I mean, everybody knows about Johnson's. Their stuff is great. It smells good, and actually, I just love the way this smells. It literally smells like a baby. It's like my favorite scent, but I actually use this on myself. I usually just buy whatever is good for baby and then I use it on my own skin. So this is definitely good to have. Always need lotion on hand. Okay, next thing I see in here, what is this? Ooh, Ooh, this is for mama. So this is called Dr. Botanicals is the brand. It is vegan friendly, cruelty free. It is coffee superfood renewing facial exfoliator. Yes, thank you. Ooh, it's 99% natural. This is awesome, y'all. I can always do with some good facial cleansers because that's the one thing I'm always trying to find. I have really dry skin, but I also want to be able to get everything off of my face, like whether it's the makeup or dead skin cells or whatever it is, to get that moisturizer to seep in really well, especially around the winter time. So I'm excited to try this one. Okay, what is this? Look at this, how cute it is. Oh my goodness, what is this? It's so cute. Okay, let's see. So we open it up. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, wow. So we've got little baby tweezers. Oh my gosh, that's a little baby file, nail file. It's like super smooth on this end right here where it looks a little darker cream. And then this whole piece here is the file. That's nice. We've got these teeny tiny little scissors. Oh my goodness, look how cute. How tiny. And then we have the nail clippers. Little tiny cute nail clippers. What? How cute is that? Nice and tiny to fit baby's nails so that you're not using your huge one for adults and accidentally get their skin. So that's good. But how cute is that? Everything has its own little place. Fits right in there. You put the top on. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. This is another reason why I love the 123 baby box, because I have found so many new products through them that I've never seen before, I've never heard of before, so I'm definitely... Oh yeah? He was sleeping in the other room and he just kept waking up, so I put him in here. He's sitting in the snuggle me. Did you guys spit ups? Yeah. He's gonna be talking, guys. That thing is cute, y'all. Okay, so this guy right here, we're gonna open up. Let's see, what is this? Is this what I think it is? Okay, y'all, this is a Stroller Caddy. This is awesome. I have not had one of these. I've looked at them plenty of times. I've just never gotten one. If you have a stroller, then you know the struggle. Like, the cup holder is either too small or there's no space there to put your stuff, and then you have to shove it on the bottom little carrier part, but then it's super low and you have to constantly bend down to grab things, or it's not big enough and it doesn't hold anything that you need. So this is really cool. So you've got these pieces right here that Velcro together around the stroller handle. You've got these two sides here, hold your cups or your water bottles or even your bottles for your baby. You open it up and it's got, let's see, a small pocket here. We've got one here. We've got one there. So about what, 3 pockets, pretty good sized pockets in the middle, and then a front one. You could put your phone, just slip that right in there. Really easy. This one is definitely gonna come in handy for me because I always go on walks with the baby in the carrier and then Jade in the stroller. And when we go for a walk, I don't need a ton of things, but I like to have my phone and a water, and the stroller that we have, my phone doesn't fit anywhere, and if I go in my leggings, I have no pockets, so I definitely am going to use this one. All right, let's see this big daddy right here. What do you think, boo? Okay, what is this? It looks like a robe of some sort. That, oh my god, that's a little bunny. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. It is a robe for baby. Ah! Obviously, this is way too big for baby Knox, but my daughter, she is about to be 2 years old, literally tomorrow. This would fit her perfectly. It is so cute. Look at this with the little bunny ears. It's a little bunny hood, and it's super soft, just like a robe should be, nice and thick and soft. It's got the arms with the little cuff right here. But you know what I really love about this? The tie is attached. So it's not just like one long piece that comes out of the loops. It is actually, boo-boo. It's actually attached to the robe. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Because I lose these things all the time when they're not attached to the clothing. but oh my gosh, it's so cute. Jade's at her Grammys right now, so when she comes home I'm gonna show her this and she is probably gonna love it. She's probably gonna want to wear it just as a jacket. She's like that. My daughter definitely loves her accessories. She loves her hats, her beanies, her glasses, and jackets, so she's gonna love this. Okay, the last piece I see in here is definitely for mommy, and I'm super excited. It comes in this little baggie here, and this is in gold, which I love. I'm really into gold jewelry right now, necklaces and earrings. Oh, y'all. I love anything that says mama on it, but especially jewelry. And this is a gold piece. How beautiful is this? And this one is just your nice, really pretty, just gold. It does not have any crystals or any bling on it. The last box I got from them, I got the Sis Kiss Mama necklace that has the little crystals on it that I have wanted forever, and I freaked out when I saw it in this box. I could not believe that they put this in the box, especially when it was something that I had been wanting. I've gotten a necklace like that before, but I have my daughter's name on there. So I had been wanting the one that said mama, and they sent it to me, and I could not believe it. I was so excited. But this one is perfect because, again, y'all, I'm into gold jewelry, and I like that I have the option to wear the other one maybe if I want to with the little bling on it, or I can wear this one really nice and sleek. You know, the letters don't have any bling on it. It's gonna go with a lot of my other necklaces, like the one I'm wearing right now, this little chain here. I could put it with that one and layer it. Y'all, oh my gosh, I love this. I'm so excited. I'm telling you guys, this box, they always have the best stuff that I've ever seen. Like, I'm telling you guys, unique things that you've probably never seen before, things that you probably never thought of before, new companies to look through. It's really cool. I definitely recommend this box. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I'm gonna put it on right now. I absolutely love it. Oh, I just love it, y'all. The last thing I'm going to show y'all that comes in your box is going to be kind of, I always call these like their brochures. That's not what it is, but it's going to tell you about the company. It also gives you like a little bit of information that maybe you might not have known before. They're just like fun facts. So this one says, did you know newborn babies are short-sighted? They can only see clearly about 8 to 12 inches in front of their faces. Everything else is a blur of light, shape, and movement. By the time the baby's 1 month or 2 months old, they'll be able to focus their eyes on a toy when you move it in front of their face. That's a cool little fun fact if you didn't know that already. The rest of the stuff that they're gonna have in here is everything that you got in your box and the value of each piece. Or maybe if you didn't know what it was for example, you saw something and you're like, well, what is this? What the heck is this and what do I use it for? It'll tell you what it is, the name of it, what you would use it for, and then the amount that it costs. Just fun, different things. I can't say enough about this box, y'all. I literally love it so much, and anytime I get one, I'm definitely going to do an unboxing for you guys so you guys can see all the different items that they have to offer. Anytime the camera's on, y'all, he always wants to be in it. Him and my daughter, I've taught them from an early age to see the camera or the phone. They're like, oh, pictures, video. So he keeps seeing the video or the camera. He's like, mama, come on, pick me up. I want to be there. I want to be a part of it. They do not do, you know, like a March box or April box or anything like that, because obviously every person is different. Every baby is going to be a different age. So the boxes that they've sent me, they've always put things in there that were great for baby boy's age. My last box, I got like a really cute, like fluffy crinkle book for him, which he actually loves to play with. Right now, when we do tummy time, I put it in front of him and he loves to hold onto the crinkle part, or he chews on the fabric that's on this book, which is great for him at the age that he's at. So obviously if your baby is a newborn, you're gonna get different types of things. If you have a child that's 3 years old, you're gonna get different kinds of things. They will have your child's birth date in there so that every box that they send you is constantly changing for what developmental stage your baby's in. And I also can't get enough of how they always remember mama. You know, we always get left in the dust when baby comes. It's all about baby, which was totally understandable, but you know, sometimes you can't forget us too. I am just blown away, especially with the mama necklaces that I've gotten from them that are just really, really nice quality and beautiful pieces that I know I'm gonna love and I'm gonna wear all the time. And I can't say enough good things about this box. So if you guys are interested or just want to see what it might be like, get yourself a free box by signing up. Obviously, if you aren't satisfied and you don't want any more boxes after you get that first one, you can always cancel at any time. You're not tied down to anything. So definitely give this one a try and try to get that free box if you are the first 100 people to order. I will have everything linked down below, as I said. Also my discount code. Now you do need to use the discount code to get your free box. So if you sign up and you want to try to get that free box, definitely use the discount code that I have for you guys so that you can get your free box. Now, if it's already been 100 people and you didn't get to get that free box, you will still get a percentage off with my discount code. So it's a win-win there, just don't forget to use it. But again, y'all, thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, I highly recommend that you do. I have tons of pregnancy and motherhood content for you guys. I do homemaking and day in the life vlogs as well. Cleaning vlogs if that's your thing too. So definitely make sure you subscribe. We would love to have you here, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye. Hi. You smile? Yeah. There's a bubble bear.